Guys, welcome you all। इस वीडियो में मैं फ्लिक्स हेडफोन का रिव्यू करने अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाला हूँ। अभी मेरे को जस्ट मिला है। मैंने 26 अक्टूबर को ऑनलाइन परचेज़ किया था अमेज़ॉन से। इसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है, वहाँ से तुम इजीली परचेज़ कर सकते हो, राइट। तो ये मैं अभी देखा तो यह थोड़ा ब्रोकन था, सो मैंने बोला, तो उसने बोला कि भैया ट्रैवलिंग करते शिपमेंट समय ये हो जाता है, इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। सो ओके, तो देखते हैं क्या क्या है इसमें। सो here we go, this is the way it looks, right? And one more sleep is also here, so sleep I got from here. This is the this is how it looks, right? So I just wanna unveil it. सो गाइस, इसको मैंने प्लास्टिक हटा दिया है, अनवेल कर दिया है। सो मेनी थिंग्स रिटन हियर, ब्लूटूथ 5.0 वर्जन, यूज ब्लूटूथ और ऑक्स कनेक्शन, superior bass hand free, foldable and portable design. Little things mentioned here. Even talk time is 13 to 15 hours. That's great. So you can see so many things written here. Even here as well, all the things I said is mentioned here, right? So actual price is 3499, but I got it in 750. It's a good deal. Let's see how it's going to work. One wireless earphone, one speaker or cable, one manual is inside this box, right? It has written here, so let's see. So guys, मैंने इसको properly unveil कर लिया है। इस तरह से ये दिखता है, this is the cover. It was like this, and I unveil it, so इस तरह से दिखता है। चलो यार देखते हैं। तो इसके अंदर मुझे ये ऑक्स केबल मिला है। This is for charging, USB cable, and this is very small manual here. So here we go. So इसको मैं करता हूँ, देखता हूँ कैसा है। Oh wow, it's looking great. It's looking great. Question is given here. It's not very, but okay, it's fine. So here we go. It's not okay. This is not there. It is here. It is metal. You can see it's not there. This is for the movement of this. It's like it was in Sony as well. Many of the headphone you don't find this. So here you can extend it. It's like metallic. You can see it's coming very good. Now let's see. Oh, it has good noise cancellation, I would say. It's looking good. It's looking good. Oh, so it's covering my whole ear, so it's gonna be blast, that for sure. Cause it's very important to cover your headphones, and only you can experience the real voice of it. Otherwise, like man, the sound is not coming properly. So there's so many issues comes. Let's see, I'm gonna connect with my mobile, and it's going to be sound good or not. Let's see, right? So here's the power button, here's the power button. So I just gonna connect with my mobile. Let's see, it's connected, very cool, bad, or how it's gonna be, right? Let's see. Now I'm connected and it's blast. Wow. Wow, really, it's very good, very good. Clear sound is amazing. Okay. Oh man, it's a blast. It's a blast. I would highly recommend you if you really like, clear sound is like a blast. It's a complete blast. go for it, bro. Link I have given in the description box. You can purchase from there. Is a complete blast. Right, so it is, I mean, 750 for this. Wow, it's a great deal. It is a great deal, right? So it's very clear, it's very concise, and there's no lagging and this or that kind of problem. I see. Wow, you know, earlier it was auto, what is that? Audi cat kind of, you know. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the you know, headphone I have right now. This is Ant Audio. The problem is that, you know, this cups is not very big. Here is the cups is it comes very clearly. It comes, you know, covers the whole ear, so it comes very, noise cancellation is also very good, right? So I have given the link of this as well. If your ear is a little small or it's like it's not that big, this is also a good option for you, right? So I have given the link of this on Oreo, and so this also gives a good sound, right? But this is a blast. This is a blast. Wow, great deal, great deal, right? You can purchase once again. I would like to listen once again. Wait. Man. Wow, great sound. I'm very happy with it. I mean, it's a great deal to post in $749 for this sound. Amazing, right? So guys, this is me signing off from this video. Have a great time yourselves. Very hot here. Anyway, you know better. Anyway, so subscribe, share this video, like this video for more, you know, updated videos, good videos, real champions. This is me signing off from this video. Have a great day.